Hi, my name is Will Herman and this is Engineering 460, Presentation 9. So for this presentation we decided to go with an Amazon locker system problem. So basically the problem description is as follows. We want to locate where to place from 1 to 30 lockers within an area. There are 300 customers located within this given area, and the lockers must be less than or equal to 30 kilometers from each customer. Each locker costs $50,000 plus $100 for each kilometer that the lockers are from the customers. Now the goal is to minimize the cost of the locker system. So some principles of construction and analyzation. Construction techniques, we used Monte Carlo simulation and a discontinuous cost function. Now it's worth noting that in the original problem a genetic algorithm was used, but Monte Carlo was added because that's what the focus of this class has been. So for analyzation, we have the distance from each customer to the nearest locker and cost to build the locker, and this was analyzed through the use of for loops and iterations to find minimization. So Amazon locker systems are, this is based on a real-life problem, and the lockers are being used today, and this is an important problem for Amazon because they need to know where to place these lockers in order to best serve their customers and minimize cost. So this time I'll hand it off to Min, and he's going to talk about our Matlab code and the experimentation and results.
Alright, so I'm gonna talk about the experimentation and the result of the simulation. So we're gonna use Matlab for software for this one, and we're gonna experiment through 1 million integrations, and we're gonna calculate cost function for each one and then repeatedly take the best result, and then Amazon basically can use this algorithm to solve that problem, and this algorithm can be used to solve like many more problems. So here I'm going to show you the Matlab code and how to run it in Matlab. So basically this one, the P array is where to put the locker, and the 1 is to put it and 0 is not. So basically this is the number of integration. We are using 1 million as I said before, and here for the Monte Carlo simulation we're just gonna randomly choose where to put the locker and randomly erase 1 locker, which is very basics. And also we're gonna assign the locker to each customer and calculate the cost function. So here if the distance between the locker and between each the customer to their nearest locker is more than 30, we're gonna place a fine like to the cost functions, and then we choosing the best result for the minimum cost function, minimum cost for that, and this one is using the discontinuous cost functions. And the running time, because this is 1 million integration, so the running time is pretty long. I just pre-run it, and here's is our result. We have 14 locker have been placed in the area, and the total cost is $1,152,300 for that, which is basically breakout of 50,000 for each locker bill. We have 14 times 50,000, and then plus 100 times the distance between the customer to the nearest lockers. And yes, that is our experience using Monte Carlo and simulation and discontinuous cost functions. Thank you for listening, and I see you in class. Thank you. Bye.